Today we will be making a recycled masquerade mask. I'm using a cereal box to make mine, but you can use whatever you have at home. Paper or any type of cardboard will work. First, you'll fold it in half. And then draw your mask outline. Cut it out, and then you can tape it to a straw to hold it up to your face. Next, we will be making a wand using a cereal box. Draw your wand outline and then cut it out. You can add stickers or ribbons to decorate your wand or whatever you have around the house.